Welcome back. Now, one of the things you'll see inside of your account settings is you have the ability to allow a team to manage your email. And you can do that by going to the team section. Once you're there, what you can do is you can click invite a team member. You'll determine what that person's role is. You'll then write in their name and email address. What you'll then do is click invite. That person will then get an email stating that they have been invited to ConvertKit. What they're then going to do is they're going to sign in to ConvertKit. Once they're inside, they're going to click the link that says join the team. They'll then fill in their credentials and click join account. That person will then have access to your ConvertKit account at whatever role that you want them to have. And the person will be added to your account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.